Yeah, they looking. They looking. They looking.
Hey, cause you showing.
I'm showing. They said they like that. It's a little small block with a little baby cam. Little baby cam. Yeah, little small block baby cam. Oh yeah, they coming already. Okay, see? They coming in there already.
Goddamn.
Shit. She said. What shit funny?
Is this him?
Yeah, look, what they?
Look, they coming already. They
Oh,
on
okay,
that
okay. Yeah, they. Yeah. Okay. You'll buy her bath water. What? The used one or you'll buy her some fresh one? Got a little stage 2 cam. Look at all my TikTokers, man, that's on TikTok, 3,000 of y'all. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. I'm trying to get it pumping and jumping, man. We got about 800-900 people on the chat, man, betting and everything. We out here getting money. Uh-oh, look at this here. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing? Yeah, y'all check me out. Let me get them some cards. Damn, I can't find them. Oh, there they go. Hey, look out, here go my cards right here. Suscríbete a mi canal, dile tu tío, and dale me gusta. And sígueme a mi canal. Yeah, make sure you dile tu abuelito. Yeah. Don't delay through our leak. Oh, what my drink is? Yeah. Extra small. Damn. Okay. Yeah, TikTokers, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, man. It's going down like Vicente Fernandez, man, and James Brown, all them. Yeah, it's going down like Kodak just when he got out of jail. Small block. That one got a little stroker kit. Little stroker. Look out. You on my YouTube, man? Yeah, no. I'm just making sure you on there. Okay. Hey, miss. Small block or big block, miss? You don't know? Okay, she don't know, y'all. What kind of car you got?
I got a Charger.
Oh, she got a Charger. Okay. Little small block. You got a small block. You got a 392 or a little 5.7?
Neither.
Oh, you got a V6? Okay. She got a 3.6. Oh, you got 3.5. Oh, she got a 3.5, y'all. She got her 3.5. Oh, you got a truck? Oh, that truck? I know you got a 5.3. Okay, she got a 5.7 on the truck. She working with something. Huh? What's up with it, Mike? How you doing? Okay, Daniel Sanchez just came over from TikTok. His name sound like he work at a shop somewhere. Bet them Sanchez's be liking Fords, y'all. I done found out them Sanchez Ford lovers. Bet he like Coyote Motors. Bet he a Coyote. Oh yeah, dude, I freaking love a Coyote. Those motors are awesome. Okay, they said if the TikTok lagging, y'all come on over to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. It ain't doing no lagging. It's showing way better in HD and it's in widescreen. You can turn your phone sideways, mirror it to your computer and everything. Got this Yukon over here. He about to make a full pass versus where y'all at? $3.92. Okay, Eddie Smith. How much are the shirts? They $20 if you see me in person. Dan D say he still ain't heard my Asian voice. Okay, we got Sook and Star Roo just came from TikTok, y'all. I already appreciated Sook and Star Roo. They said they want to hear my Asian voice. You want to hear Asian voice? Well, here you go, motherfuckers. This is my hood Asian voice. You have Air Force One? You want Air Force One? I have Air Force One. You want chicken? You eat chicken? We got Blackie come from TikTok. You want Air Force One? I have new used. Which one? I have Air Force One. I even have two. You want two? I have two Air Force One, and I said chicken in back. I have chicken. If you want chicken, we got tortilla, corn. You want chicken fried rice? They don't even put the C and the E on rice. You want chicken fried rice? I'll be like, yeah, nah, I want, yeah, that's right, miss. You right. Chicken fried rice? You want chicken? We have beef stew, broccoli. Okay, your total $10, $10.82. Man, y'all done went up, miss. No, we have the same price since last week. Just hurry up and buy it. Every time you come to store, you said price went up. Price same price. Same chicken, same price. Only you say price went up. No, inflation has nothing to do with the store. Same price since last week. Every time you come, you think you're on store. No, we on store, you buy chicken. You come in with your Air Force One and you think you on store, but you don't. You want egg roll? No, you want egg roll? Tatiana just came from. Y'all ever seen, I ain't never seen, you know how they got the food truck and they ask you what's your name? I don't never heard. Just imagine if they had to try to